Wow! Baby Shark the doctor! Hello, dear friends! Today, Baby Shark has become a doctor. How interesting is that? One day, Pinky the fish was playing her favorite game, Jump and Splash, near Coral Reef Park. She was having so much fun, jumping high and splashing water everywhere. But, oh no! She jumped too high and bumped her head on a big rock. Ouch! Cried Pinky. Feeling scared, Pinky swam quickly to her best friend Baby Shark, who was also the smartest underwater doctor. Baby Shark greeted her with a warm smile and said, "Don't worry, Pinky, I'll take care of you." Pinky sat nervously on the little green chair as Baby Shark checked her with his special doctor tools. First, Baby Shark looked at the bump on Pinky's head. Then he said, this doesn't look too bad. You've just got a small boo-boo." Baby Shark carefully cleaned the bump and put a cute red bandage on Pinky's head. "All done," Baby Shark said proudly. "But you need to rest and take it easy for a while." Pinky smiled and said, "Thank you so much, Baby Shark. You are the best doctor in the whole ocean." From that day on, Pinky was more careful when jumping around, and she always remembered to thank her friend Baby Shark for being such a great helper. Wow, kids, I really enjoyed this story. What about you? Doctors are special helpers who make sure we stay healthy and feel better when we're sick. They wear white coats, aren't they? Wow, kids, look at our Baby Shark. We drew his eyes, nose, a beautiful smile, and a good face. He's even got a doctor's hat and a stethoscope. Look, he's sitting on a chair. He looks like a very good and gentle doctor. Now it's time to draw Pinky the fish. That's right, here, next to the Dr. Baby Shark. Let's start with her eyes. So, all we need is a semicircle. Oh, poor Pinky the fish just bumped her head, so her eyes are a little watery. It's okay to cry. You're gonna be okay soon. For her tears, we drew 2 circles. Now let's finish her face. We need a big circle. When Pinky the fish bumped her head on the rock, a little nutty germ from the rock jumped onto her head. The germ made her feel a bit sick, but Dr. Baby Shark knew just how to take care of it and made her all better.
Dr. Shark's advice is clear.
To draw the germ, we need circle.
Swim along, laugh and play all day, but don't forget.
Let's add some straight lines.
Baby Shark's got tips so cool. Follow them and be the starfish in school. Scrub a dub, clean your fins, stay so bright and neat. Floss and brush your pearly teeth.
Now let's finish her hands and body.
Stay well and strong all year. Dr. Baby Shark spreading lots of cheer, teaching healthy habits year after year. Underwater doctor, the best in the
And dry chair for her too. Because she's in Dr. Baby Shark's office.
all the ocean friends mile by mile. A little fish had a scrape on its fin. Dr. Baby Shark said, "Let the healing begin."
Now you can color the eyes black like me, and you can make the lines of the drawing darker and fix any mistakes.
Baby Shark is here, hip hip hooray. A crab had a cold with a sneeze so loud. Dr. Baby Shark said, no need to feel down. Drink some water, take a rest. Soon you'll feel your very best. Wash, 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 wash your face.
Now it's time to color, my dears. Have you got your pencil colors? Let's get going. Let's start with the pinky. Fish the pinky, right? We are going to color her pink.
It's the ocean way. Eat some kelp, take a nap, sing a happy tune. Dr. Baby Shark says you'll be better soon. Wash, 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 wash your fins, keep them nice and clean. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, shiny and gleam. Healthy habits every day, it's the Dr. Shark.
Excellent job. Now let's color her fin and body.
Teaching us to stay healthy all the time. Under the sea or...
Take your time and color carefully. You can do it.
Dr. Baby Shark, always on the go, helping ocean friends. High and low, a turtle hurt its shell. Oh no, oh no.
Now, can you see the headband on her head? Yes, she's wearing a red headband. Let's color it. It's going to be red.
All year, a starfish felt so sleepy and slow. Dr. Baby Shark said, here's what to know. Eat good food, take a nap, drink water too, and you'll have the energy to dance.
For her mouth, we're going to use our dark red. So easy.
Clear, stay well and strong all year. Sing a song, swim along, laugh and play all day. But don't forget to wash your hands the ocean way. Dr. Baby Shark's got tips so cool. Follow them and be the starfish.
Oh, for those drops of tears, let's use our blue color. Don't worry, Pinky. You're gonna be okay.
Dr. Baby Shark spreading lots of
Now let's go for a dark color for the germ on her head.
Dr. Baby Shark cares for you and me.
You can use any color you want for this part. Now let's use our green color for the chair. And finish the chair leg with orange.
Sing a song, swim along, laugh and play all day. But don't forget to wash your hands the ocean.
Now it's the Dr. Baby Shark's turn. Dr. Baby Shark has a yellow body. We always knew that, right? Yellow, just like the sun.
Stay well and strong all year. Stay well and strong all year. Sing a song, swim along, laugh and play all day. But don't forget to wash your hands the ocean way. Dr. Baby Shark's got tips.
Face, hand, body and tail. Kids, the doctor's clothes are white and don't need to be colored. But you can add a little gray shadow to the doctor's clothes. Let's use blue for the stethoscope and that special hat. Do you want to add some shadow? That's a great idea! Kids, what color is the doctor's chair? Great! It can be a light pink, a cheerful color for healing patients. let's color the legs orange. Now for the final stage of our work, let's use gray and a little shadow to the painting. That's it! Excellent job! We succeed! If you also like Baby Shark, like the video and join us for more drawing videos and subscribe to our channel. See you next time! Bye bye!